Peace of mind is a state of inner calm and tranquility, where worries and stress are minimized. It plays a vital role in our overall well-being, affecting both our mental and physical health. When we experience peace of mind, we are better equipped to handle life's challenges and maintain positive relationships. Achieving this sense of calm can lead to increased happiness, improved focus, and greater resilience. In this video, we will explore 10 practical steps designed to help you cultivate a more peaceful and balanced state of mind. Each step offers simple strategies that can be integrated into your daily routine. By following these guidelines, you can move closer to experiencing lasting peace and emotional stability.
Achieving peace of mind begins with practicing mindfulness. Take a few moments each day to focus on your breath and observe your thoughts without judgment. Letting go of grudges is essential. Try to forgive others and release past resentments to lighten your emotional load. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle by eating well, exercising regularly, and getting enough sleep helps stabilize your mood and energy. Setting boundaries protects your time and emotional well-being, so communicate your limits clearly and stick to them. Embracing gratitude can shift your perspective. Keep a journal and note 3 things you're thankful for each day. Simplify your environment by decluttering your space, which can reduce stress and promote clarity. Limit exposure to negative news and social media to prevent overwhelm. Practice self-compassion by treating yourself with kindness, especially during setbacks. Engage in activities that bring you joy, whether it's a hobby, spending time with loved ones, or exploring nature. Finally, seek support when needed. Talk to friends, family, or professionals to share your feelings and gain perspective. These steps, practiced consistently, can guide you toward lasting peace of mind. By integrating these steps into your daily routine, you can gradually cultivate a deeper sense of inner peace and resilience. Over time, these practices not only reduce stress, but also enhance your overall well-being, helping you navigate life's challenges with greater calm and clarity. Remember, the journey to inner peace is ongoing, and every small effort counts. If you found this content helpful, consider liking, subscribing, and sharing it with others. Your support helps the channel grow and allows more people to discover practical ways to achieve peace of mind.